significant contributions to the society in terms of educating students. So we have 11 branches. One of that is computer science, electronics. So these are also were established way back in 1984. Computer science department was established. So we have huge number of students who have graduated from our college. So we offer trending technologies courses on that. So we have a branch other than computer science and engineering, electronics. These are all the core branches. Mechanical, civil, we have that. Other than that, we have AIML, that is a new course, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. This is a new course that we have introduced in our college. The reason is AI is in demand. Okay, so we seeing that a new course was introduced in AIML. Again, we are introducing more courses, AI, Artificial Intelligence and Data Sciences in the coming years. So that is about, so I am, as the sir gave the introduction, I belong to Computer Science and Engineering. I studied in PDA College itself. So we'll start. So what is artificial intelligence? So have you all experienced artificial intelligence? Are you aware of any tools or artificial intelligence? Yeah, ChatGPT. ChatGPT of late, you've been hearing. So how useful is that ChatGPT? Have you used ChatGPT?
For preparing assignments.
Yeah, preparing assignments. Yes, that's the thing. Then, anybody else? What all the ChatGPT can do?
Editing photos.
Yes. Editing? Photos. Then?
Can answer all questions.
Answer all questions. Yes. Then? So anything, whatever you ask, ChatGPT is ready. So how is it possible? How does the ChatGPT does this? Okay. So way back in 1950s, this artificial intelligence was introduced. But up to 1980s, we saw some development in artificial intelligence. But again, there was a gap. Not much was being done. But of late, in the last recent 5 years, you have seen rapid growth in the field of artificial intelligence. Why is this possible? How is this made possible? All of a sudden, we didn't have much developments in this. The reason is the computing power, the high computing power now that is possible with computers. So computers are capable of processing large amount of data in a very short time. So that chips, have you all heard about microprocessors? Chips, they are very strong now. They can compute large amount of data in a very short time, and that is made possible. And similarly, one more reason is the memories. Okay, the cheaper memories, large amount of data can be stored. Not only stored, large amount of data can be retrieved. So the retrieval speed is also improved. So because of these improvement or progress in the hardware, now you can see the effects in the field of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, what is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence, as the name says, the humans wanted the machines to think like us. So with that, the machines were asked or made to act like humans. So that is how this branch evolved. So you might have also hearing about AI is taking away jobs. Have you all heard about that? So it is, so even that is not a reality, but AI is reshaping the world. AI is reshaping the world. So the way we work, okay, is being changed. We are taking the help of AI in our day-to-day life, and that is how we are reshaping. So artificial intelligence is different. Machines do not have intelligence. Machines just obey the orders. Whatever we say, the machines do. So machines do not have. So what is that you make? How is that you make the machines think like humans? So what are the technologies associated with that? I'll just explore in this session what are the brief history of artificial intelligence and a little bit about the technology part, the use cases and the history. So it is again a branch of computer science, and there in computer science has related technologies. The computer science branch has introduced different technologies which all together are used to make the machine intelligent. This is how. So machine intelligence is the one that is exhibited by humans. So you see that artificial intelligence, maybe at this stage you have seen ChatGPT's answering your questions. You ask ChatGPT to write a speech, it does for you the way, whichever, are you a student, in what way. So it understands, ChatGPT understands that. If you are a student, accordingly it writes. Okay? If you are a writer, so at that way it can mold itself. So you can see that ChatGPT has intelligence. Intelligence is being embedded into the ChatGPT. So, but still there are, even at this stage, there are some things which which artificial intelligence cannot do. Okay, it cannot ask questions. Okay, it cannot. So there are, even though there are very good number of developments in artificial intelligence, still we are away in achieving complete intelligence as the humans have. So the definition of artificial intelligence, you can say that we are designing functions into the system such that it replicates the cognitive abilities. Cognitive, what is a cognitive? See, you see that. How do humans have got the intelligence? How the humans have got the intelligence? You see, when a child, okay, a small child still cannot talk, the child is in the process of learning. We show him an apple, we say that it is an apple. The next day, he sees and then says, yes, it is apple. So that is the process that humans do. We are in the process of continuous learning, and that is what we do it for the machines. We train them. We train and we make the machines to learn. So this is one of the fundamental steps that is needed, or that is being done to make the machine intelligent. And mimicking intelligence is again enabling machines to perform tasks whichever are human-like, which are based on human level intelligence. So this would be, and how does the AI work? What are the technologies, or what are the basic tasks that would be done? So we have AI systems need algorithms. So you see that ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? It is nothing but a complex algorithm. How is that it can make? How is that it can make a speech for you? How does it do? So thing is, learning, when you say learning, as I told, child sees an apple, the next time whenever it is red, it is of the size of a particular size, it has understood that apples will be of this. So we train the machine in that way. So how do you train the machine? It is the same way how the humans get trained. So when you see an apple the next time, how do you say? We say that, yes, if it is of the red color, if it is of this shape, it has a curve. Okay? So these are this is what you call the features. So we tell the machine in this way that these are the features that will identify apple, and any fruit, okay, which looks like this, or which has features like a red color, right, and the shape of the apple. So all this are nothing but the features, and we tell the machine that if you find something like this, then it should be a apple. But there is a question. Now, if you show a child a ball, red ball, will it be able to say, yes, this is a ball? It is being trained, even though it is red color. Apple is red, the ball is red, but it is distinguishing from an apple and a red ball. How is that you do? How do you learn? The same concepts, whatever. So we have, as and when in your daily life, as the child grows, it has some knowledge being built. Okay? and that is what is called knowledge base. So even your chat GPT has a knowledge base. Okay, knowledge base. From that knowledge base, it extracts information and it writes a speech for you.